First, we're going to go ahead and prepare our sausage meat. Now, you can go ahead and buy already pre-ground sausage meat, but I have here about 6 of the Kirkland's brand mild sausage, Italian sausage links. I'm going to go ahead and just remove the casing from those. Once I have all those casings removed from them, we're just going to kind of pound it down so it's more like a ground meat, more ground sausage meat. Again, like I said, you could start with just ground sausage meat on its own that comes in the package. So I'm grounding mine myself. And then we're going to go ahead and on the side, we're going to start to boil our water for our pasta. So you can have that set on the stove. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some oil in our skillet. And we're going to go ahead to start to brown our sausage. We're going to put that oil in and then put the sausage in. Once we have all our sausage in, we're going to go ahead and try and chop it up a bit. You want to make sure that you get it more of a chopped meat consistency, if anything. And just go ahead and continue chopping it up as it cooks and browns. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on mine so it browns faster while our boiling water is there. Once our water is boiling, we're going to go ahead and I have here Banza rigatoni, which is a gluten-free, made from chickpeas pasta, rigatoni. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the boiling water. And we're going to boil those for about 4 minutes, about half the time it says on the box, because you want them as al dente as possible. So instead of 8 minutes, we're just going to boil them for about 4 minutes. We're going to go ahead and drain the pasta. Once we drain the pasta, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to chop up the remaining of our cooked sausage meat. Then we want to go ahead and just drain some of that oil in the pan. I'm using a paper towel just to soak up some of that oil. Now we're going to go ahead and assemble our crock. We're going to go ahead and spray it first. We're going to add the pasta in first on the bottom of our crock. Then we're going to add our Italian sausage, browned Italian sausage, over top of the pasta, the rigatoni noodles. Then I have here 2 cups of fresh baby spinach. You're going to go ahead and take that and just kind of like rip the pieces up a little bit to make them smaller pieces of that spinach so it cooks through and cooks all around in the pot, in the crock. Once you put the spinach on top, then I have here 3 jars, about 14-ounce jars of Alfredo sauce. You could go ahead and make your own Alfredo sauce. It's very easy. It's just I didn't have the time today to do that. So I'm putting in some jarred Alfredo sauce. You're going to pour those 3 jars all over top in the crock. Then we're going to give it a nice little stir, make sure everything's mixed together and the Alfredo sauce is covering everything, especially the noodles. And we're going to go ahead and put the lid on and set it, forget it, on low for 3 hours. Once 3 hours is up, you want to go ahead and just give it a nice stir and serve it up in your favorite bowl. Make sure you get all that sausage and that spinach and all the rigatoni in there. Guys, this dish is so delicious and so easy to make, as you can tell. And there you have it, the What a Crock Alfredo sausage pasta.